Hey guys, it's James with Fourth Wall Reviews, back with another Marvel Legends set unboxing of Build-A-Figures. Figures for a Build-A-Figure set. I mean, let me get it out of package and I'll show you which Build-A-Figure this is. And, we'll go through who's in the set. And, then these will all get their own individual videos or actually build the action figure. My content is not intended for kids. Give me a second. Okay, guys, I'm back. Let's take a look at this set. Let me get them out here and we'll take a look at who it is and all that stuff. First in the set, Red Skull with the, what do you got? The head to the Build-A-Figure. Second in the set, AIM Scientist Supreme. Third in the set, Arcade. Fourth in the set, Lady Deathstrike. Fifth in the set, the Hood. And sixth in the set, Dormammu. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Seventh in the set, a variant of Doctor Doom. This is a villain set, and you need 6 out of the 7 to build the xemnu Build-A-Figure. The ones you need are Dormammu, the Hood, Lady Deathstrike, Arcade, Red Skull, and AIM Scientist Supreme. The Doctor Doom is optional. But this has been my video. Look at the xemnu Build-A-Figure set. I'll do actual video reviews of these figures where I take them out of package and build the figure later on. But for right now, my review of this Marvel Legends set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, set of 7. On the box it says set of 6. Wait, does it say set of 6? Set of 6 or set of 7. But this has been my look at the xemnu Build-A-Figure wave in its entirety. Every now and again I do these Build-A-Figure waves in their entirety, so I don't have to go try to find them elsewhere. My luck with finding them elsewhere is I don't. But this is xemnu wave. Like, comment, subscribe. We break the fourth wall, we shatter it.